The Biafra Liberation Army commander, what did they call Commander Holyghost? The guy don't come outside again, no. Contour say that duels don't die since. He say nothing like duels where they exist. So now I can say, hey, this one they happen for here. I beg you go watch the video before we come back. Continue. Please go follow our new page where they call Balabas G's vlog immediately so that you will get the update back to back as they happen for the area. I beg more to watch this video before we come back. Continue.
All of you that learn work. Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, Biafra supporters all over the world. Yes, I've seen to it that there is something that is trending on the net. I still remain your brother Holyghost. You know, some of them they learn work. Third US. See, if you follow me, you will know that I'm not be talking about US. Because I cannot waste my time to talk about irrelevant. Biafra is a spirit, and he that must worship Biafra must worship Biafra with the spirit and truth. Today is 20th September 2024. I want to tell you something that if you are not filled with the spirit, you cannot know. If you are not filled with the spirit, you cannot know. So that I will not waste time. I have very lesser time to expose this to you. Biafra is a religion. You have been told that. Biafra is our culture. Biafra is a spirit. And that is the reason it is only those who are possessed by the spirit of Biafra can restore Biafra. It is not everybody that were meant to restore Biafra. It is not everybody, I repeat, it is not everybody that every Biafran were made to restore Biafra. No. There are very few selected people that were made to restore Biafra. Few and selected people that were meant to restore Biafra. So therefore, Biafra is not, the calling of restoration of Biafra is not meant for everybody. That doesn't make you not to be a Biafran. Okay? That is why I do say in my own that if you were not called for this restoration of Biafra, stay where you stay where you stay. Do your normal business. It doesn't change the fact that you are a Biafran. When Biafra come, nobody will deny you the fact that you are a Biafran. But when you try to force yourself to do what you were not created to do, to become what you were not made to become, that is when your problem began. Yes, that is when your problem began. Because at the end of the day, you will find yourself in a deep, very deep pit that you cannot come out of it. Okay? Let me tell you this. Some of you don't know. If there were a person that preached me into Biafra, I will kill that person by myself. That is one thing I want you to have in mind. If it was somebody that preached me into the restoration of Biafra, in other words, if it was somebody that lured me into this struggle, I will kill that person by myself. But it wasn't anybody that called me into this. Nobody called me into this struggle. And that is why each day and every time I find myself alive, I ask for the direction of the spirit of the land, because it is them that brought me into this struggle, and they make me to understand that this is the only reason you came into this war. I fear no death. Having tell you this, I will quickly explain a very few things to you. I don't listen to gossip. I don't listen to people, because what you own, what you have for me is distraction. Gossip, weak man. I knew quite well that men gossip past women. And that is the reason whatever things you say online, on net, it doesn't move me. Everything you say, it doesn't move me. What my chief say concern me is what concern me. That is what moved me. What Chukwukika Abiyama say concerning me, now wetin move me. I have power to change everything you wish me. Okay? I have power to change everything, every wishes you wish me. And that is why I will say, that thing where you wish me, I wish you 10 times. You wish me that, I wish you 10 times. Which means that it will first reach you. When you cook for a person, you must test what you cook now. If I come to your house, you cannot just cook and serve me food without testing that food. You must test that food. You must test it. So whatever thing you wish me is your portion. What brought me this evening, I wanted to make a very fast broadcast, but let me address, because so many people, my DM don't full. Go to X, there is a message for you. I've seen the message. It is about dog of social media, known as DOS. They are only dog. Underground digger. The people where they drink borehole, now DOS. Their duty is to drink borehole, drill borehole. If there's any tunnel, underground tunnel, now their duty, give them the contract. They will keep digging underground, never to come out, and they go die underground. Should I spend my time talking about them? DOS don't die. Betrayer are betrayer. Saboteur are saboteur. And one thing they don't know is that Alanso is the land of Biafra. No saboteur will enter into it. No single saboteur will enter the holy land of Biafra. If you think I'm joking, sabotage this struggle and see whether you will survive. As long as I'm concerned, they know me, I know them. And they don't see my face now. They see my face, they know me. Mention them. Is it enemy? Enemy, you don't know me. Is it high tension? Ask high tension. You don't know me. Mention many of them. New and old, they know me. See my hand. The day I stain my hand with evil is the day I will die. No two ways about that. You see this hand? Any day I saw my hand with evil, now that day I will die. So if you think Biafra is a joke, come and try. My hands are cleansed. And that is why when I'm talking to you with boldness. You can't kill me. You have tried several times to eliminate me. I refuse to die. You cannot, they never born you to kill me. I die if I sin against the gods of the land of Biafra. That is when I will die. As long as I did not stain my hand with evil, they never born you to kill me. You will try. No two ways about that. At the end, now you go see die. Go and ask Caterpillar wetin I tell am. I tell am, my brother, look me very well. I don't make mouth. Those who send me walk are strongly behind me. Then they in front, then they at my back, then they by my left, then they by my right. People who send me walk are surrounded me. You cannot do me anything. Pass this message to DOS. Tell them that if them reach my place, they never get accident and die, then they should call me and tell me that your God is not exist. I repeat. If they reach my place alive, then I will know that God, the Chukwubika Biama, my ancestor did not send me work. I challenge them. I challenge anybody from them. Tell them, I am from Akwa Ibom. Let me give them expo from Akwa Ibom. If they reach my place alive and return back, I know that I was not sent. I challenge them. Tell them that I, Holyghost, challenge them. Brother Holyghost or Alhaji Holyghost, challenge them. I told you yesterday that if you are a Muslim, I am Alhaji Holyghost. And if you are a Christian, I am Brother Holyghost to you. Remove commander. Okay? Brother Holyghost. I am not a Christian, no. I am not a Christian. But any religion you are familiar to, I dig game. If you are Judaism, I'm a Judaism to you. If you are a Muslim, I'm a Muslim to you. If you are a Christian, I'm a Christian to you. If you are waiting with Hindus, I am Hindus to you. If you are a native, I'm a native for you to you. But my religion is native religion. I am a native man. So I've told you my religion now. I am a native man. I'm not a Christian. I'm not a Judaism. I'm not a Muslim. Get their foot in my place and come back alive. They should know that I was not sent for this work. If they like, may them be 100 going to my town. They will die on the road trying to reach my place. When somebody challenge you, challenge that person back. Unless you don't know what is following you. I love challenge. Personally, I love challenge. And I will tell you what will happen on time. I will tell you what will befall you. That is why I say I challenge US. Tell them, make them try. If any of them reach Akwa Ibom and come back alive, they know that I was not sent. If they use motor, then go get car accident, die. All of them must, even though now one person go die, now that one person who have me in mind, now ain't go die. If then they two, now two of them go die. If then take plane go get plane crash, then go die. Then use bicycle, then go get bicycle accident, they must die. If they like me, then use leg, they must die. They will not say, I am the son of the river. They know they must cross the river before they reach my place. 7 rivers. As you they cross, one of them go swallow you, go strike you dead, and you must die. I challenge you, try it. If it does not happen to you, know that I was not sent for this work. So I have no fear. So you people should not worry. Don't worry. I challenge them. Tell DOS that I challenge them. Tell Nigerian Army I challenge them. Anybody want to trace my place, make him trace go. If he come back with his life, he knows I was not sent. It's a challenge. Pick up the challenge and try. I did Grigba. You see this struggle? Biafra must be restored. Sam. Biafra must be restored. You can't stop it. The sun must rise. The sun must rise from the east. If you change that, if you change the sun from rising from the east, you know you can stop Biafra. But if you cannot change it, you can't stop Biafra. Biafra must be restored. I told you, at the end of you dying, you must sit down on a round table and discuss Biafra exit. And it must be this year. You can't stop it. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, try. You will know. You can't stop the spirit, because the spirit are determined. Nothing become physical without spiritual. Spiritual control physical. And Biafra have been declared spiritual. And that is what gives us hope. That at the end of this gara-gara, Biafra will be restored. So I'm not afraid of you. Go Akwa Ibom. I'm a son of the soil. Okay? Go to Akwa Ibom and look for me. If you get to my place alive, know that I was not sent. Your dead body is what they will return back to your place. Yes. You don't know this. You have chosen the way you will die faster. And I say, all IP is waiting for you. Idiot. You think I have your time? I was called to restore Biafra. You can't stop me. 20 and millions of you, billions of you cannot stop me, cannot stop us. We are many who were called to do this assignment, and there is nothing you can do about it. It is either you join us or you die. Yes. Whether you believe it or not, Biafra must be restored. It's either you join or you die. If you stand on the way of restoration, this moving train will crush you. And when it crushes you, you are dead. You say Biafra cannot come, you go die, and Biafra will still come. And that was why I told Ãrmy, then send you, people who send you, then they their house, their children know they here. You stupidly, because of small money, you say, may you come, you go die. You see, the land of Biafra is very big. The ground will swallow all of you. The ground of Biafra will swallow all of you. None of you will go back alive. And the worst is about to happen. I will not tell you what is about to happen. You go hear, you go see. Some of you go see, and some of you will go down. We are not here to joke. We are fantastically crazy about Biafra. It's either Biafra or Biafra. And if you say you cannot give us in peace, we will force it and take it by force from you. And we will not just take it by force from you. You must lay down your life for it. Yes. This is the land of our ancestors. The land whom Chukwu Kikabiyama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. And we must hand over this land to our children in good faith. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba or Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this land of Biafra in good faith. It is oath we took. Whatever thing it will take us, so shall it be. That at the end of your initial gra-gra, you sit down on a round table and discuss Biafra exit. In this land of Biafra is where we belong. It is our inheritance. It is our belonging. It is our possession. And we say no to Nigeria. And we refuse to be part and parcel of Nigeria. So if you think we are joking, come and try to force us to be Nigeria. And you will die trying to do that. You will know we are very hungry. You will know how hungry we are. That when we say we are not part of Nigeria and we will never be, You know our forefather reject Nigeria. Our grandfather reject Nigeria. And our father reject Nigeria. We will never accept Nigeria. And Nigeria will end in our time. There's nothing you can do about it. And you will know in the land of Biafra, we go nowhere. And we are the owners of the land. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, try your best to stop us. You will know that we had the erosion you cannot stop. That erosion you know you cannot stop. Now we be that erosion. We will swallow you alive. If you don't agree us, if you don't give us way, we take over your compound and drown you inside. Go and check wetin floor they do people in other states. You don't agree them, then agree for you. Now we be that flooding. Now we be the erosion. You must agree for us by fire, by force. By fire, by force. No Biafra, no peace in Nigeria. You will never get peace. Let me tell you what you are experiencing now. In 1960 to 1970, in 1970 the war ended, but Nigeria starved Biafran children to death. Death, hunger killed Biafran children more than during the war period. Have you forgotten? No victory, no banquet. But then blockage everywhere. They do not allow food to enter. Then seize our parents' money, leaving them with only 20 pounds that cannot even afford anything. So many children were starved to death. So many. Not by gun, not by anything. That hunger, Biafran children experienced during the war is what Nigeria, the whole Nigeria will experience now. You know that their spirit never died. And their spirit is still very, very much alive in us. Hunger will kill so many of Nigerians. I repeat, hunger. Una never see anything. When we say we will destroy Nigeria beyond repair, we mean it. Hunger will kill so many Nigerians before Biafra restoration will come. We are not in the audio. We are still in chapter 2 out of chapter 10. Una never see anything. Is fuel up to 5,000 a liter? Not yet. Is dollars up to 5,000 per dollars? Naira, is it up to 5,000 per dollars? When I never see anything. Economy of Nigeria will crumble to the ground until the whole world begin to cease every investment you make outside the country as a politician. We will never certify. Until you, as a politician, also feel this hunger like a common man, you know that we never start. You see, Biafra, you will beg us to go. Yes. You will beg us to go. Do you think we are Boko Haram? We are not Boko Haram. You feel it. We are not Boko Haram. We are Biafrans. We were born talented. And when we tell you, let us go, that you may have peace, and you say we cannot know, who are you? Uncircumcised idiot like you think you can hold us back. You never see something. Keep pushing. The more you push, the more you fall. And the more Nigeria will rub to the mud. You will understand that we are not here to be joking. I will not say much. From me, from the land of the living, the rising sun, the land of Biafra, I say good evening. The Chukwu continue to protect and guide every gallant man on ground, and may you live long. I salute you all.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch the video, I beg, may you drop your own opinion in the comment section as it dey hot.